Today, we're going to learn how to count by using the beaded number line. It's important to realize that this represents 0, and we want to keep it to the left, because if we count from the left to right, that's positive. And that's really important as the kids, as they grow up and they go through the years and they start talking about positive and negative numbers. But we really want them to realize that when we count from left to right, we're counting in a positive manner. So when the students first get their beaded number lines, they're going to look at it, they're going to play with them, they're going to touch them, they're going to manipulate them. That's the whole point. And then I want you to ask them, how many beads do you think are on the number line? And this gives you an idea of their estimation skills and whether or not they understand numbers at this point. There are 100 beads on your number line. So after, you don't tell them how many are there, but once they get a good estimate, then I want you to ask them to count the beads. Most students will start counting by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this shows you their one-to-one correspondence. It also shows you, can they count to 10? Can they count to 20, to 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. Hopefully they'll realize, hey, every 10, it changes color. So we have 10, and then it changes color to blue, and that's 20. And then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and so on. So we want them to realize this pattern. We want them to see the pattern when counting by tens, because that's the quickest. Students can also skip count, not just by tens, but they can skip count by twos. So they can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now what this also does is it gives them an understanding of place value, where we have 10 full one here, there's 10 full, and we have 8 singles because we still have 2 left over. So this would be 18. They can also skip count again by threes. So 3, 6, 9. And as you know, skip counting leads to repeat addition, which leads to multiplication. So this could also be very helpful for students when they start to skip count and see that 3 groups of 3 gives you 9.